still in the spirit of the October 1st independence celebration, I go still say happy new month and happy independence to everybody when be proudly Nigerian today. Nigeria na 55 years and we believe say our country go dey great. Not be again, it go dey great. My name na Ezugo Chokwote. From wetin you go see, you go know say I no dey always dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when sabi well as take concern any politic matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our viewers. Welcome to the Asekpo edition of As E Dey Hot. Today na Friday, where we go give now all the gist. So we'll talk from Monday to Thursday. Carry and give now for those of now we miss out. At least now if you chook mouth, contribute for the angle or the story we interest now. And we also, as I talk, we open our phone line. That one that it is certain because the matter we they talk about now matter we concern us, we also concern owner. My name never still change. My name now Unkubi and this now As E Dey Hot.
We not go waste time. Sharply. We go just quickly look all the stories them sharp before we introduce our Ogbonge visitor because you know go just make sense if we just introduce her like that before we introduce the stories because visitor na senior man. On Monday, as we always do, we tear the nylon come out on top of all the action story wey happen for Nigeria for weekend. We do 6 interesting stories. Come wrap am. But because of say that one don't follow Monday go, we go leave am like that. On Tuesday, sharp, we look at Senator Bukola Saraki. The call where we say plenty people don't come and talk, say, make him step aside. And some people will not talk, say, make him stay there. This is not because of the case when he get for the Code of Conduct Tribunal. The people will say, make him step aside, talk, say, if he there, if he follow backyard, they affect the case. And other people when talk, say, make him stay there, talk, say, how una go talk, say, make him step aside when the case still there for inside court. Say, make the man dead here, make him defend the name. And at the end of the day, anything when court talk, we'll come begin to follow the matter they go. Now, what we discuss on Monday? Sorry, Tuesday.
And on Wednesday, the story can't change. Yeah? It can't change on the level, say, that day can be 30th of September. And we know how significant that particular month. Say Oga President promise say look say he go release the ministerial list it can be seen at the final day of that month now people come dey react say this one wey Oga President never release ministers we never even see signs say he don't release ministerial list wetin dey happen and going by the calls we get from people that is the call even fear me people call their reaction was like Oga President no. As long as you don't promise Nigerians, say, in the month of September, you don't fail in the first place because you're not supposed to even allow and reach this level you don't reach the final day. Even on top of the final day, we don't even know whether you go still release the ministerial list even that same day. While other people talk, say, look, as long as that day never end, at least Oga President still get mouth to say, okay, ministers will go release them before the day runs out. Now, waiting will talk on Wednesday with that.
On Thursday, will be October 1st. All of us, just like everybody for Nigeria, we roll out the green carpet, come bring out our band, begin the beat and say, hey, Nigeria don't be 55 years. All of us, they're grateful, say, we did together as a country, even after all the things we don't experience, reach 55 years old. And just like all our leaders join mouth together, talk, say, this is not time for national rebirth. That is, Nigeria will become born again so that everybody inside this country will begin to enjoy the benefits of this country. We say, follow them, Chukma, say, yes, all of us must join our hand together to move this, our country, forward. We don't drop Tuesday, we don't drop Wednesday, we don't drop Thursday. Before we can talk about Friday on, when come with today, we go introduce our Ogbonge visitor. In a person when we say, if you talk about breaking news in say when we say he know they know. If he has anything will happen for far away Australia, he go break him down, he go tell you. He be political analyst, he be social commentator, he be media professional, he be etc. That is to say, if I begin to call all the things when he be as it take concern for them to fit sit down and talk anything politics, anything the economy, anything social, he qualify. He na Oga Victor Ohai. Oga Victor Ohai, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much. Make we break and dance in the hot.
I said the way your voice say calm down, the thing come be like say.
Thank you very much.
We go shake your hand because
nothing spoil.
make you don't be like say we the quarter when we
Because
start.
once we start to enter, you make no say whether this will carry, whether they carry me for mine before. So now the level be that.
I full ground remain. No shaking.
Victor, before I start with what happened on Tuesday, I go like go back to Monday, make I emphasize. You get one thing when we say that Monday the thing sweet my mind, and I know say you say everything go sweet you. Ogun State government, but I know say it go sweet you. Ogun State government come out talk say they want immortalize, that is they want put the name for the Hall of Fame of the late HID Awolowo. They can't give their reasons. They talk say this woman do things when we say no be about the plenty money when you get, no be about the plenty money when you spend. Now the legacy when you leave behind. I want make yourself join mouth to put inside this thing. Say for this country now about the things when we say we live for the people and our children. Not be about the big house or the big money or the big motor.
You know, say just before I come up here, I mean they discuss something with some people. And I remember, make I quote myself exactly as I talk. I say, for country or anywhere to better, people need to chase posterity, not prosperity. You hear what I talk?
You talk, I go write that down.
If you chase posterity, that is good name, legacy, what they call legacy. Say you do better thing, we go benefit people for time to come. Like I said, all give free education, so on. Build, develop Western Nigeria. True. When you pursue posterity, prosperity go follow. But if you pursue prosperity, go as I talk to you so. I be billionaire several times for Zimbabwean dollars. I know they joke. But that money where I get, enough you buy a loaf of bread.
At all.
My way they chase prosperity, prosperity, it be like breeze. It get how money go useless rich now wheelbarrow they take carry and go buy one loaf of bread. So the thing to pursue now posterity, not be prosperity. Now it's what HID don't do with that.
Oga Victor,
and I make it good,
Oga Victor, you don't cut the ribbon on top of this show. We don't start and we don't emphasize, make everybody know say that to chase posterity, not prosperity. You don't talk this one not become words on marble. Make we can't go inside what we discuss on Tuesday. Our Senate president, we will call him embattled Senate president. And some people don't talk say now witch hunt. Some people talk say whether witch hunt or man hunt or talent hunt. So long as saying get case to answer, make him go answer in name. Some people can't go for can't talk say make this man step aside because as in there, if we get phone number of somebody call and say please, you people should bring your hand down. What do you think of this particular matter?
My brother, make I start with one Ogbonge proverb where me I form myself. No nyash will not get shit. No matter how you clean and rich, small shit could remain inside.
Even if you use water?
If you leave that matter of water, no nyash will not get small.
If your hand thick like Unkubi Nunko?
Well, until then. But make I explain what they talk. Now, if government say they want, make I go Bible. Bible talk say there is none that is righteous. No, not one. God don't talk that to how much more human being. Now be say, if you think say you righteous, say anyhow. If they touchlight you like this, no how way they not go see one thing way. We go bring your hand, we go fall your hand down. That is the truth. I give you a small example. I they build up. Go somewhere.
You build up.
Then they look for how to pull down Dasuki. So they look. They not see what they go tie for a neck. You can't look best way be saying now retired colonel. National security advisor where just they come up for government. Big man for that matter. You go, how many big men? Start from Victoria Island here. How many big men has you go where you know see gone? Not to say they take and go to armed robbery for road. But we know say most big men, anyhow, if you check where we go see gone for their house. They hear me so?
I hear you.
How you think say so in order to just give a dog a bad name, they go conduct search, say they see gun. Therefore, they won't go try because of gun. Look that kind of thing. And they build somewhere, they go somewhere.
Will they wait?
Saraki matter. Man not be, I mean, if man thief, make it go answer. I don't get problem with that one.
So long as he thief.
So long as you catch and you get proof, everything, not be even you say, make court decide.
Okay.
But if to say na there, if to say na the matter be that, I for no worry. But you know what I dey worry about? First of all, this na government will come. Talk say, when they say make they try people go back, they say no, nothing concern us.
Say it's too far.
It's too far. We na the na handover note with the act on. People will give us handover note na that one, na we our front. This kind double mouth, eh? Now only God go judge.
Who could be? You dey hear am?
Finish.
I won't make him dey hear you. I won't make him dey hear you.
He not go fight because of fight. He is sensible.
Thank you.
If he see truth, he go accept them.
Thank you.
So no, not matter of say thank you. All of us will follow the same. Make we look waiting.
I like the way when you just keep quiet. Because if na me for don dey ginger,
no,
you don't see wetin pass
na my friend. We not dey fight.
Thank you.
We dey look government. We dey look Nigeria as e be. I mean, not be so. Now, this man, where have been there said before you bring Kobe man?
You been talk say they say they no go back. Say hand over note.
Very good. That talk and finish, because they know say if they go back, some of them, the rope where they throw go hook them for neck, bring them come forward. So now they don't go back. Now I won't use one language what we call selective victimization. Selective, you throw the rope, you choose where to throw. You pick them, you begin draw the person. Thief full that place, but you decide who you want. Then they tell you, I'm a member of their party. When I say make we start from our party, we don't start. Make we talk true. How many APC people, true, for their heart of heart, apart from those where they quarrel, consider Saraki as one of them? The minute the man say, one pursue this thing, all of them immediately, they still they look at like PDP. So they never even consider as one of their own. But they go somewhere.
We they wait.
Now, this man, they can't go back 12, 13 years. See, the thing where he feel for Code of Conduct Bureau that time, say, the thing be like, say, as he talk him, not be so he be. They can't turn an enemy to big case. If to say, they say, when you be governor, your second term, you thief this money, we go understand. You understand? But you go back from where person feel first time. When you want to become governor, now you want to take hand up. At the time down to wait I talk about Dasuki.
That's true.
And when my initial program say no nyash will not get small shit inside. So the thing be say, they just look now and say, okay, we go deal with you. And so they just look, say, I bet more wait till we take tie this man down. So just as they do that, okay, this area will go feel you come here. They throw hook there. Of course,
Oga Victor.
Make a land. I just a build up.
Okay.
Not be fight too.
No, not be fight. I get one question.
You go ask me, make a land. When I land, I go tell you. So now I want to answer the question. So the thing where they worry me be say, if to say this thing they sincere, I don't get worried. Because it go help Nigeria. All these politicians, all of them are thief. My people, make when I look this picture. People when they say that they fight, see them. When I see them,
That they smile like twins.
if they see me so, so make I give you one small example.
Oga Victor, no vex.
Wait.
You don't dey on for a while.
Wait.
Where they come from, they far.
Making credit no burn out. Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Kudi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi, my brother.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning, sir.
Yes, our Obongo guest. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Oga, our guest, honestly, he hit the nail on the top. You see one thing, Oga Buhari go Oyibo country. Now, they call us whether waiting the confidence level for Buhari, for Saraki side, sorry. He say he not get any confidence now until court finish. Now, within his entourage, people will follow and go that door. So people still get question whether they answer for court, but he carry them go that to Igbo country. For those ones, waiting the confidence level for them, he can't carry them go Igbo country. They still get matter for court whether they answer. Now, Oga like he did now, he not get confidence until court can prove him otherwise. You see, this is our government. We should be sensible at times. Oga Obonge guest, what did they talk? In fact, now me go pay for your lunch today. Don't say he on the top. No, it's a clear cut fact. Now, the conduct then say, make him resign. How you go resign? When you say court never declare him guilty. Another one be say, if you allow him be so, when we say he go resign, When we say somebody go wake up one morning, say Oga Chukwudi commit one crime. When you know the church, he say make you come out from a studio. He say you no go work. Court never decide. He go not there for your house. Come condemn the person.
Oga Chukwudi, you don't make very important points.
Thank you very much.
You don't finish talk for me.
You don't.
But no, I go still like.
Make I ask you, so you go add that up.
Okay.
The question no be here. The question we'll ask no be about the issue we get. Now people wey they call say Oga resign, or to say they don't implicate you, they don't indict you. This time around, the calling for resignation no be that of people we either whether they in church or waiting where they find the fire. But now from organized labor in this case, okay, because of say okay for you to probably because if in the end you gonna say if you check your record, you go say somehow you don't get bad record while you were in government. So for morality's sake and for the sake of governors to continue, so that is why these people they call for his resignation, which of course not be something where they knew where they take place for other countries, other developed countries abroad. So the calling for resignation, you say I not say as bad thing. So
no, you go answer in question plus the one where you want to talk. Yes. But no, we take Oga Alex from Abuja. Abuja too far. No
question later.
Oga Alex, good morning, sir.
Good morning. The resource person you're high. Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkodi.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Make I start like this. There is no difference in color between PDP and APC.
With the year.
You don't
The only
finish
thing
talk.
when the extra color to APC, the Buhari. And because Buhari get one natural aura, that transforming aura, which any member of APC must submit to. Then back to the issue of Saraki, we people for Robocastro have said those when you join our Bail Lake, now they divide fish. And they talk of the APC coming to power today, the making of Buhari. And they understand the background when Saraki they come from. He's coming from aristocratic background. That man may have used his money to even finance the campaign of APC. And then the food don't done now, Abi. They won't tell and say he's not a core APC member. You see, get one small fish. When Urobo they call him Mongma, he belongs to the cat family. Any day, crocodile eat that fish, he don't die day.
Oga Alex, thank you very, very much.
Alex.
What we go do be say, we go just pause our phone.
For now.
Because Oga Victor, so many things they in mind when you want to.
Are they look dead? Are they pregnant?
Oga Victor, I beg. But before you begin, they unleash that load when you load. We go quick rush, enter inside market. When we go the market, come back. Oga Victor go complete all the talk till he reach Thursday before we open our phone lines. Make una no go anywhere. Now still as in the heart.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry